All right, guys, so I do want to come on here and do a quick unbox review and setup on my new 14-inch 1080p portable monitor. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go and take a look at it. Let's check it out. Cool. So it does come with this protective sleeve for it. Here's the actual display. It's the back of it. You can go ahead and stand it up this way. You can turn it this way. However you really want to set up that portable monitor. And then it also comes with all the instruction manuals for it. And you do get all the cords for it as well. So you get HDMI to Type-C, USB to Type-C, and then Type-C to Type-C. And then the other thing that I did want to point out about this display is like, look at how thin that is. It is thinner than an iPhone, a Samsung phone. It's probably one of the thinnest portable displays you can find. Weighs like right at a pound. And the other thing I wanted to show was this other side of it. This is where your laptop will go. This does support from 13 to 17-inch display. So as you can see, this can adjust however you like, and then it'll just firmly grasp the display of it. All right, so I do want to show the ports at the bottom. So it does have these two Type-C ports that you can plug in from Type-C to Type-C or from USB to Type-C. And then this one is specifically for display port functionality, and then your power button right here. So let's go and actually hook it up. All right, and there it is. So right now it is under extended. So you can just change that under, if you right click and then go to display settings and then duplicate the settings or show only on one or two. I actually like this one. I'll show both, but if we open up Google Chrome, I can just drag this right over here and we can put maybe like YouTube. And if we open up another one, I'll move this one over here and we can have like Sheets open. All right, and there it is. So as you can see, you're able to multitask however you like if you want to have two things running at the same time. So if we switch that over to duplicate, we'll go to display settings. And as you can see, anything I do on this one will now just show up on that one. And there it is. But as you can see, the actual quality of the display looks really good. Bring it up a little bit more this way. All right, and as you can see, let's go ahead and make it full screen. Screw it on. But as you can see, the quality is really good on that display. So whether it's for videos or worksheets or whatever, it's gonna look really clean on this portable display. So the other thing that I wanted to point out real quick was just it does work with like iOS, Mac, doesn't have to be Windows. To have it hooked up to my iPad here, it'll display whatever I have going on. So very, very cool. We can just play this one. And then go ahead and make it full screen there. Or like that. Very, very cool. As you can see, I just wanted to show what a upscaled YouTube video will look like on the display. It's super clear, colors pop, and everything just looks crisp. Whether I'm watching a video, answering emails, or editing side by side. It gets pretty bright too, so even with sunlight coming in or overhead lights, I can still see everything without having to tilt or squint. The contrast is solid, blacks actually look black and the whites aren't blown out. And the color accuracy, it's really balanced. Nothing looks overly cool or yellow, which is especially nice when you're working with photos or content that needs to look true to life. I also love that the screen doesn't wash out when you move it to the side. It has wide viewing angles, so I can shift it around or lean it back and everything still looks good. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel. But if you guys are looking for a new portable display like this one, ultra thin, great quality, I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.